I scored full marks in Inorganic Chemistry in JEE 2022. You won't believe, but I was the student who ignored Inorganic Chemistry in my whole JEE journey. At the end of the 12th class, I realized how important and scoring it is. I also had same myth like Bab Haba of Kota Factory, like it's all about cramming and all, we can't score.
निहायत ही बोरिंग सब्जेक्ट है यार, ये सिर्फ फैक्ट्स है जिनके कोई लॉजिक्स नहीं है.
But it's not like that. There are a lot of things which you can understand, and once you'll start doing inorganic chemistry, I'm pretty sure you will love that subject. After I started learning this subject, this is my favorite subject now. I love inorganic chemistry because this is literally very scoring and you can save a lot of time in examination hall. Like I completed my inorganic part in just 6 minutes, like 5 to 6 minutes. So you're gonna save a lot of time. So I would say don't leave inorganic chemistry, and I literally didn't use those high level books like JDL and all. I used only 3 to 4 resources. To be honest, for JEE mains, I guess those 3 to 4 resources are more than enough if you will use those resources in an efficient way. So in this video, I'll tell you how I scored, what are the things I did. So yeah, let's begin. So first of all, let's talk about those 4 resources. First, my notes. Second, NCERT. And third, marks app. Okay, and yeah, fourth is PYQs. Obviously I solved PYQs from marks app only, so I'll say only 3 resources I've used. I've completed my inorganic chemistry from YouTube only. I studied from Om Pandey sir only. He's a really nice teacher, so it doesn't even matter like from where you have studied. So now I'll tell you what exactly I did. You can start with periodic table. Like one question they will definitely ask from periodic table. Also prepare assertion and reasoning type questions from periodic table because they can ask. Then second is your chemical bonding. Like they can ask approximately 2 questions. One is from MOT, like molecular orbital theory, and one question is maybe they can ask from PCPR theory and your bonding L and all they can ask. So prepare all those kind of questions. You can refer PYQs. All those categories will be covered. You don't have to follow any extra resource for that. And for inorganic chemistry, I'll say your PYQs is the best question bank you can ever have. So use it in an efficient way. Then we have our block chemistry. Because we don't have S block this time, you can start with P block. From P block also probably they'll ask like assertion reasoning type questions because they have reduced like a lot of portions, so we have only theory and all. So read that properly so that you can solve the questions. Then we have D and F block, and this is very important. You can expect around like 1 or 2 questions from D and F block. Salt analysis. See, if you have done P block properly, like whole P block, I'm not talking about the reduced portion, you will not face problem in salt analysis. But if you have done only that reduced part, you might face problem while doing salt analysis because there are a lot of formulas that you have to remember. And see, in inorganic chemistry, it's not about like cramming and all those things. There are certain rules through which you can understand like how we have to make all those formulas, like how you can understand it. You don't need to cram all those formulas. Like I studied from Om Pandey sir. He explained all the formulas, like how we can remember those, like how we have to drive all those formulas. For now, if you have not done salt analysis, don't touch. So if you don't have time, you can leave that. But at least except salt analysis, complete all these chapters. At the last moment, like when 3 or 4 days were left, what I did, like I revised my notes and all. My concepts were clear. At that time, I used marks app. Like I solved all the questions. Like for example, for DNF block, if like 140 questions are there, I solved all those 140 questions. Like if your concepts are clear, it will be very easy to solve questions. If you are done with your theory, so rather than revising those notes again, what you can do, just go to the marks app, like just try attempting those questions. If your answer is getting incorrect, what you can do, instantly you can learn that and go ahead. That's how you'll be able to solve a lot of questions. You will see 2 or 3, I think, repetitive questions also. Directly they will put PYQs questions in your main examination. Now how to read NCERT effectively. So when you are solving PYQs, just keep your NCERT in front of you, and now you have to mark your NCERT with the help of those PYQs. Let's say there's one PYQ, okay, now you have to check, okay, where is that topic, go to that topic and just mark that, and at the end you will see like you have marked all the important topics in NCERT. After that, just read your NCERT. I'm pretty sure you will not miss any important point after that. And of course, it will not be boring anymore because you have marked all the important topics. Also, there are some topics in NCERT from which you will see repetitive PYQs. You can mark star on that topic in your NCERT. So this is what I followed. If you have even 6 to 7 days left, you can try this method, and I'm sure about it. It will definitely work out for you. All the best for exam, and for more videos you can subscribe to my channel. Thank you. Bye bye. If you have any query, you can ask me in the comment section. Till then, bye, take care.